Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Spotify Premium. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the Spotify application in your mobile. Then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner and go for this settings and privacy. And when you are here, just tap on this first option, account, and you will see your plan here. So just tap on your premium plan, then scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on this see all plans. Tap on this premium individual. Now tap on this X, scroll down, and you can see this option here, cancel plan. So just simply tap on this cancel plan. Now tap on this continue to cancel. Again scroll down, tap on this continue to cancel again. Yes, cancel, tap on it. And now you have to select any reason and then simply tap on this submit and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.